A lot of people ask me, why are you never surprised when the client signs off your space plan or your digital twin of the whole design when we render it? Why are you not surprised that the client, along with their entire family, sign it off on the day of the presentation? Like, it's signed the same day that it has been presented. And the team comes back and tells me, ma'am, sign ho gaya, ma'am, sign ho gaya. And I'm like, all right, tell me something new. Tell me something else. Tell me something I don't know. Then the team comes back and they always ask me, आपको कैसे पता होता है कि क्लाइंट को यही पसंद आएगा? आपको कैसे पता होता है कि यही सेंसिबिलिटी उनको समझ आएगी? आपको क्यों पता होता है? And मेरी एक छोटी सी ट्रिक है, and I want to share this trick with young designers, and I want you to please steal this trick. It works all the time. It works 100% of the time. Creative block वो कब आता है? It's very simple. किसी भी काम को करने का creative block तब आता है when we feel कोई जज करेगा हमें, when we feel ये तीसरा बंदा देखेगा तो ये शायद ऐसा सोचे वैसा सोचे, क्लाइंट की पर्सनालिटी से शायद ना मैच करे, एक घबराहट सी होती है क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस करने में जब वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक इट लुक लाइक ये किसी और का घर है, ये किसी और का होटल है, किसी और की कमर्शियल स्पेस है, somebody else's sales gallery or somebody else's show apartment or somebody else's corporate space. The moment you realize this and you start behaving as if you own that property, you become the owner. Not just the owner, you start role playing everybody who's going to be using that property. Now, this has to be about the back of the house also, all your service providers, house help staff, so, cleaners, drivers, waiters, guards, plumbers, electricians, everybody who comes in for repairs, housekeeping teams, everybody, you become that. I become the nanny. I become that guard. I become that jhadu poche wala. I become that glass cleaning guy. I become the owner. I become the dadi. I become the bacha. I become the wife. I become the husband. I become the guest. I become the friend. I just simply role play and behave as if that property is going to be used from all perspectives by me. I own that space. I belong in that space. And then the design process is about going wild in a creative manner, going to the last mile in terms of functionality, bringing your real personality into it. Of course, you've had those psychoanalysis games played with the clients and trying to get inside their mind space. That's how I like to become them, the husband and the wife and the kid and the hone wali bahus. Oh my God, this is pretty much a psychological, mind game when it comes to creativity. So when you become that person and you own that space, there is no other person who's going to judge. You are the creator and you are the judge. And that's when it rolls and it gets approved in one single strike. There is no other way.